Well, welcome to Friars Motor Company again. Here's a very nice example of a new style Renault Kangoo. They're based on the Renault Scenic. It's a 1600cc petrol model, the Extreme they called it. And it's in a very pretty metallic blue, as you can see. 2 owners from new. Low mileage of 22,000 with a very comprehensive service history. Started off as a Motability car, and you can see its print out here. Just run through it, service at 2,000 miles, 7,000 miles, 9,000 miles, 10,000 miles. Turn the page. We got 12,000 miles, 14,000 miles, and 15. Then we go on to the service book. I sold it at 16,800 miles, January 18, and the previous owner, local to us, had it serviced in October. There, so plenty of servicing. Now it's converted for wheelchair access by Automotive group, and they're one of the few converters that have a completely flat floor here. So if you do want to use the whole length of floor, you've got an electric wheelchair. It's going to come right forward instead of it dropping into a footwell. It's nice and flat. One rear seat. We've got the lowered floor, and I've got these safety straps attached. They're controlled by this little switch. When it's up, you can bring them out, put them around the wheelchair, click it to lock, and here we are. So we push up. I think we've got a brake on here. Yep. So up we go. Stop in an appropriate position, and these straps clip there, and you adjust them just to go around the back of the wheelchair. And the seat belt around the wheelchair user plugging in there. We've got a bifold ramp. That means the top comes down, so it's not in your field of view. That weighs about 5 pounds, perhaps 4. Boot down. It is a 2-minute job once you get the hang of it. Now inside the car, got electric windows, remote locking, 2 keys. There's your air conditioning, radio CD with steering controls. I'll just briefly start it up for you. There's its genuine mileage, 22,000. So a really nice car. Not too big, roomy on the inside, French suspension, typically soft and compliant, so the wheelchair user gets a nice ride. So if you think that's a possibility, give me a ring, we'll chat about it a bit more. Thank you for looking. I'll look forward to your call. Bye.